really happy because of we win match and I performed in this match and last Asia Cup I performed but we didn't win the match but now we win. I'm really happy now. क्योंकि मैंने सिर्फ अपनी वेरिएशंस पे काम किया है और मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा गेम को और समझने की कोशिश करी है तो वो मुझे हेल्प कर रहा है और नो डाउट कि आपके पास जितनी ज़्यादा वेरिएशंस हो उतना इस फॉर्मेट में काम होता है तो मैंने अपनी वेरिएशंस को बढ़ाया है और बॉल में स्लो स्पीड में वर्क किया है काफ़ी. नो डाउट कि मैंने जिम में भी थोड़ा वर्क किया है और सब जगह मतलब काफ़ी हार्ड वर्क किया है सो अभी मुझे वो चीज़ हेल्प हो रही है. See, it's a little disappointed, but no doubt. But I always think about positive. But I'm really happy. I'm here and performing. The whole team's supporting me. Every time the coaches come to me, they're saying, "Your time will come. You just wait for your time." That's it. I'm really happy about that. BCCI support me and they always just on faith on me. So I'm really happy with the become a team member and all the time they thinking about me and. They always saying you just wait your time and your time will come. They're not thinking about the I'm sitting out and match to match, but I just try to improve myself and all the coaches, all the like MS Dhoni support me about that. They give me lots of tips and I'm really happy about that.
Can you shed some light on what you said to him when he was not part of the 11 and now that he's part of the 11, what advice you've been giving him?
I said play. And I just went up to him and I told him, you are known for turning the ball. You are someone who flights the ball, varies the pace, and you have variation. So just don't, keep bowling the straighter one, try to bowl it just back of a length so the batsman can't hit. I told him, your biggest strength will be to flight the ball and, use that extra bit of bite in deceiving the batsman. And I was really comfortable the way he bowled after that.
मेरे पास आकर उन्होंने यही बोला कि जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है आप ज़्यादा मत सोचो जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है वही करो तो वो बात मुझे बैठी और मैंने अपनी जो मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है स्पिन कराना है बॉल को और थोड़ा फ्लाइट दे के मैं बीट करता हूँ बैट्समैन को तो मैंने वही किया. MS धोनी इस तरह से बताते रहते हैं तो उससे काफ़ी हेल्प होती है अंदर जब भी आप ऐसी जगह पे मैच खेलते हैं इतने प्रेशर वाले गेम में मैच खेलते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि जब भी मैं बोल रहा था मेरी स्ट्रेंथ हमेशा स्पिन और फ्लाइट ही है. जिस तरह से मैं बैट्समैन को बीट करता हूँ एयर में या जो भी स्पिन करा के तो हमेशा मुझे ये वर्क करती आई है और यही वर्क कर रही है मेरे लिए तो मैं कोशिश यही करता हूँ कि इस पे और ज़्यादा वर्क करता रहूँ और अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करता रहूँ.
No, it's important that people they bowl or bat according to what their strength is. I personally felt he was feeling a bit of nerve in the first game, which was against Pakistan, and after the first game, which was the Pakistan game, I knew still he was not bowling at his 100%. He still had that nerves to overcome, and I knew with that man of the match and with that good performance, his performance in the coming games will get better and better. And today also he bowled really well. He bowled well against Gale. He used his variations well.
See, I always feel on the sort of format whenever you just thinking to stop the run, you can't stop the runs. So you always think about take the wicket, how do you take the wickets and keep the pressure the opponent side. So always this working for me, so I'm doing it now.
And we were ready for this, but I think Mishra bowled very well. We have to give him all the credit the way he bowled in this in these conditions. He didn't afraid to toss the ball up to the batsman, and he got some turn because of the pitch was a little bit damp. So I think the credit goes to him. He bowled really well in this game.
Yeah, it's always pressure is there for you if you playing for your country and like against Pakistan. So I think both sides are feeling the pressure. So I'm really happy I hold my nerve and just performing on this kind of match and I'm really happy that the way we win and way we play today.
Well, there will be odd games where like some of the other bowlers he may also get hit, but it's still important that he backs his strength, and his strength will always be using the flight and using the variations that he has got.
Thank you very much.